Welcome everyone. I hope you enjoyed today's hike. We're just outside the village of Gabarus at a spot called Irish Brook Falls. Not far from us is a piece of maritime history, the Gabarus Lighthouse. Originally built in 1890, this lighthouse has stood watch over the Atlantic for more than a century. Yet the village of Gabarus itself has a rich history dating back over 300 years. So as we explore Irish Brook Falls today, take a moment to soak in not just the beauty of the landscape, but also the deep history that surrounds us. We are at Irish Brook, just outside the gorgeous village of Gabarus. We're going to hike up this brook. There's supposedly a waterfalls up here. We've never been to it. I got my wife and our two girls with us. Let's venture up and see what it's like.
We're coming, but where are we coming to?
We don't know yet. Girls love the water. It's nice and cool, huh? Well, there's no actual path along here. You just gotta kind of make your way up along the brook. We've been crisscrossing the brook, trying to find the easiest way. You gotta watch the black rocks, they're quite slippery. I'm gonna scale this tree here, see how far up I can get. It's pretty hard. Getting back down might be the problem. Getting up's one thing. If I didn't have my pack on, I don't know what. I don't want it to break. Okay. Let's guide back down. It's gorgeous. I wouldn't say it's hard, but it's slow going because you got to make sure you got good footing. Check that out. So the tree grew around a rock. Must have fell down at one time, got washed down, and it took the rock with it. So cool. Look at it. That's awesome.
Tightrope walking. Oh God. Oh my God. Oh. Now my turn? Now I'm gonna try
So you're gonna get across?
That kind of hurts.
It does. Oh my God.
Yep.
Horsefly bit me.
Good thing I got a wide butt.
Yeah, exactly. She did it. You know, I'm starting to enjoy the waterfalls when they're not flowing really, really strong. Because you get to walk right up the brook, which is a whole nother experience. I don't know if this is a falls here. This is like a two-tier cascade. We're gonna go up and around the corner and just make sure. Oh no, I think it's here. Yeah, I think that's it there. Oh yeah, very, very pretty. Cool. Nice little spot that is.
Found an easier way.
Yeah, much easier way. Oh, what a pretty little spot in here. Irish Brook Falls. Look at Luce. You're a goof. Lucy, you're a goof. Gorgeous falls. We're not going to stay here long. We're going to start hiking out. Look at Ellie's poor nose. Ellie, come here. Look at her poor nose. The horseflies are crazy in here. So we're going to make our way out. Erin just went for a little dip. She said it was warm. Is it warm? Is it nice? Another beautiful day in the water. Oh, there goes the dog spraying us. Here, I'm going to swim across. I don't know what's out there. All right.
You ready?
1, 2, 3.
Oh, Ellie's going with you.
I can heel up right here.
What?
I can heel right here. We're just making our way back out. Horseflies are atrocious in here. It's that time of year though. Hope you enjoyed the little hike in with us. We had a great time. The dogs enjoyed it immensely. Other than the horseflies, there are quite a few horseflies, but you can see it's beautiful in here. Until next time, please like and subscribe for future videos.